All right, so I have the Wells Rockauto version of the solenoid that I need. This is the actual solenoid. The current solenoid has like the little rubber thingies that attach there, and also this thing that screws into this part on the bottom. So I'm going to reuse them. So I disconnected the battery before starting part because there are sensors there. So figure that's what I should probably do. Now I just got to remove this, and then I guess remove this somehow. All right, well, I'm just going to wiggle for a while. So, okay, so wiggling is not really working out. I'm gonna use this little tool that I have to try and pry it out or push it with leverage. See if that works. Leverage on nothing because can't really. There's nothing to fucking leverage it on actually. Okay. Oh, that kind of worked. Okay, so I got the solenoid out. This part here, the plastic piece from the old solenoid broke inside, and then this one here, it came out pretty smoothly. So that happened, and then luckily enough, the one that broke it in here kind of fell out somehow into the back, which I was able to fish out. Where is it? I lost. Oh, there it is. There's literally this like little piece that broke off the end. So this is what the solenoid old one looked like. I already took off the pieces, but that's that. You can see that the first little piece broke. And then this is the new one with all of the attached stuff. So the two little spongy, not spongy rubber thingies. And then this thing, which is just a spacer in the end that I put on. So a nice looking solenoid. All right, so now all that's left is to actually install the new solenoid, which I guess just literally plug and play. I'm going to try and fit it in there and push upwards and clip this thing back in. And hopefully the code disappears. If not, it's probably something else concerning that purge system. Anyways, let's get to it. All right, so the new solenoid is put in, and little rubber thing on the second piece doesn't fit in flush, but I think it's going to hold enough to work. And then all that's left is to connect this connector, and then that's it. So that should solve the problem. Okay, so I just cleared the codes, and we'll start up. I don't think we'll actually see anything right off the bat, but you never know. And yeah, it's a fucking automatic. I don't care what you guys think. Cool. So I'm gonna redo another scan after doing the wheels, left to right wheel thingy. See what happens. I don't want my DC. Okay, so it's been a couple of days and the code hasn't showed up on the dash yet. I did do a scan to check the pending codes, and there's nothing there either. So I guess we can call this resolved. So next would be the LRB under tray. So I'm prioritizing that because I don't want the current one falling apart and before the coils, let's say, and then shit happening to the bottom of the engine bay area. So that's why I'm prioritizing. Also because it's cheaper. Like I don't have money, but like I had enough to get this at least. So that's the reason why. So actually they already shipped it. It's faster than I thought it would be because I really thought it would take the 3-week fabrication time and then another week for shipping or whatever, but way faster than I thought, which is not a bad thing. And then in the meantime, waiting for that and the coils later on, I will maybe look into more the lighting control module, wherever that is, if it exists, and then see if I can fix that up because it's kind of annoying to be driving with my headlights at night and then the radio just cuts out. During the day, it's fine though. Anyways, so that's that. If you like my content, find me weird, that's fine. You can follow, like, and subscribe and share at the same time. That would help me a lot.